Welcome to
BarbecuePitBoys.com. First off, we got to thank Citrus Safe Grill Cleaner for sponsoring this video. We appreciate your support. All right, today we're doing some right wing chicken wings, and they're real easy to do with some of the tips we're going to show you here. Now, we've got several pounds of chicken wings, and the only thing we have to do first here is separate the left wing chicken wings from the right wing chicken wings, right? Now, if you've never had chicken wings on the grill, and you know, there are actually people out there who don't know how to cook chicken wings on a grill, you got to check this out. All right, so we've separated the right wing chicken wings from the left wing chicken wings, all right? And in pursuit of justice, you have to separate them. They just might never get along, right? Now, of course, you want to season the wings. We're using our SPG, but you use your favorite seasoning. At least use some salt and pepper, right? And we'll bring it to the grill. Now, we're going to be grilling this on medium heat. You don't want to cook these wings too fast, right? That'll bleed out the moisture anyway. So take your time. Now, we're using our Santa Maria, which gives us unlimited control on the amount of heat we want to get just by raising and lowering the grate. But of course, you know about that, right? All right. So, again, medium heat might be 325 degrees Fahrenheit underneath. Now, this is optional, right? I mean, you could serve these wings without a sauce, but hell, man, you're out there barbecuing, grilling. Get yourself some of your favorite sauce. We're using our bold and spicy. It's got a little kick to it. And you spread it on. And in the miracle of time, and after several flips and turns, hitting it with some more sauce, it is time to eat. So we're going to pull them off the grill because the temperature internal is about 165 degrees Fahrenheit, right? You want to cook them to at least that. You getting hungry or what? And if you're not, you're on the wrong damn channel. Oh, every piece, pile it high. We'll be eating good tonight, Martha. Give us a call. We haven't heard from you in a bit. All right. And of course, as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this. But we call this Pitmaster privilege. Now, if eating these right wingers is disturbing to you and you prefer left wingers, just click that link below. So the next time you're looking for a chicken wing recipe for your pit, righty or lefty, check out BarbecuePitBoys.com.